so today we are going to be cooking a recipe from the Sweet Heat Cooking with Jenkins Jellies cookbook, which you can buy at many places, including Amazon, and we'll put the other places down in the description. So if you have the book, if you turn to page 42 and 43, there's roasted Brussels sprouts. So this is what we're going to do. It's a nice, happy holidays food. And we like to do it for our tradition of doing a big holiday dinner on the night of Christmas Day. Please tell us. We would love to hear what you guys do for the holidays, and let's get cooking. Please subscribe, hit that like button, and as we said earlier, comment down below what you guys do for your holiday traditions. Also, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Jenkins Jellies, which we will link in the description box below.
Jeez, I don't know if I can remember all that. I have to write that down. What do I do? Hi.
Hi, Poppy.
How you doing? This is these are jars you wanted? The figgy and the goovy. Hi everybody. Like my head?
This is my
Better like
grandfather.
it because underneath it's bald. But this is my granddaughter, and what's your name?
Emma.
Emma, yes, Emma. And I'm father of the jelly maker and grandfather of this jelly spokesman.
Okay, what he's trying to say really is, we wish you a happy holidays from our family to yours. Bye, guys.
Oh, yes, goodbye. Thanks for, yes. Right out of the words of right out of the thing of on the top of my head.
Bye.
Oh, bye. Take care. I'm going to stay here, okay? Oh, okay. Boom, boom.
I can cut this out. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys! So today we are going to be cooking a video